Hey guys, this is Mallory's Crafty Corner, coming back at you with another video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and today we're learning how to create a Stranger Things card on your Cricut. Go into whatever web browser you use, and go to Cricut Design Space. Okay, so once we're there, we're going to start off with the basic shape, our square. So you can go back and see the controls I used. So we're going to work on the color, and I'm doing mine white. And we can unlock it, as you see I did. And I'm going to type in the numbers for the size of our card. Usually it's 10 by 7. It might seem big, but that's only because we're going to put the crease in. So we're going to go to Shapes and get a score line. After that, we're going to click on that score line and extend it with that button you can see I'm using. And I usually just line it up to see how large I need it, and if I were you, I'd make the square line a bit larger than the card it is itself right now, and we can center it. It's fine if it's not perfect. And right now with my touchpad, I'm going to select it all, just click it, and on the bottom where you see, I'm going to attach it all. As you can see, I opened up a new tab and searched up a Stranger Things silhouette. I'm using the one with the kids biking, so we're going to find one of those and click on it with 2 fingers, save image as, and the image got cut in this frame, sorry about that, and we're going to name it and save. So once we're back in Cricut Design Space, we're going to press upload and press upload image, then browse, and we're going to see our most recent, which is this Stranger Things one. And we're going to use a simple pattern and continue. So we're using the tools it provides and clicking on the spaces we don't need. And we want the figure we're going to cut. And I'm going to erase the monsters with this eraser. We can check the size on the left. And I'm replacing it with a dog. I thought it would be a joke for my sibling I made it for. And we can get into detail here. I'm not going to do too much, but you can click on the spaces you do want to be cut. Let's press preview to see how it looks and save. I'm going to click on the one that's mine and enlarge it. Right now it's on print. We're going to press no fill, and we can check the color we want. Make sure it's on cut, or you can draw it with if you want, and select its color. Make sure it's the right size too. Right now I'm searching up a Labradoodle silhouette. Let's just choose a nice good one here. Same thing as last time. Save image, title it. We're going back to Design Space, upload, simple, click. We got it. And this one we want to make sure it's not printing it either. And we have to rotate it to make it upside down. That's a 180-degree angle. And you can select that. Now we're going to press shift while pressing on your touchpad, selecting all the images to weld it. Welding is basically just telling it not to cut the dog out separately, and we don't want this attached. So after that, I wanted to write a message. It looks different in my thumbnail, but we press that large T, and I'm writing happy birthday. After we choose the font, so I'm just choosing a random font here. I used Birch Standard. After that, I wanted to draw this instead, and I'm going to select what I'm using a marker, so I'm selecting that, and we select our color. And I wanted to do something different. I'm arching it, as you can see I just did, and we have to size it just to make sure we get it right. And after that, I'm going to put their name, and same thing as last time, drawing it. And this time we're attaching all the images we're drawing. It's the same procedure as the welding, except we press attach instead. So we have to save it. Don't forget to do that. And I'm just showing you what it will look like when we press the Make It button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.